This next problem. Solve. Question is same. Solve by method of variation of parameter y double dash minus 2y dash plus y equals e power x divided by x. Okay, you can see the RHS. It will not be in any one of the standard form like type 1, type 2, type 3. And one more thing is they will specify by the method of variation of parameter only. Okay, even though it is standard form on that types, you should not solve if they specify the word variation of parameter. Yes. First consider the problem and using operator D. Using operator D. Y double dash can be written as d square y minus 2 times y dash nothing but dy plus y equals e power x divided by x. So take y common, d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equals e power x divided by x. Yes. Take right auxiliary equation m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Yes, for 1 what is the factors? 1 ones are, is it right? Such that you will get means minus 1 because I need product should be plus 1 and sum should be minus 2. So this implies m equals 1 comma 1 plus 1 comma plus 1. This implies yc equals c1 plus c2x multiplied by e power x. Okay, this is yc. But actually you should not take u and v directly. What we have to do, you multiply e power x, then you will get c1 e power x plus c2 x into e power x. You have to write like this. This implies u equals e power x and v equals x e power x. Okay, got it? Any doubt? Yes, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Up to writing yc up to here it is common. To extract what is u, what is v, you should remove the bracket, just multiply, and what you will get, that you know down as u and v, coefficient of c1 and coefficient of c2. Now omega equals, write the formula, u v u dash v dash. This is the formula for omega. Now that equals u is e power x, v is x e power x, u dash is e power x, differentiation is e power x only, no doubt. What about second one?
X into e power x plus e power x.
Yes, it is a product rule. Product of two function. First function is into differentiation of e power x is e power x plus second function e power x into differentiation of x is 1. 1 no need to write, or you can write like this. Now see here, many complicated means many terms is there. If you take the common, then it will be easy to simplify the determinant. Follow that please. See, coming to the first row, e power x and e power x. I will take one e power x common with respect to the first row. Similarly, in second row also, either you can take column also. Okay, column also, okay, no problem. Anyone at least. See, in coming to the second row also, in first term e power x is there. In second term, again there are two e power x is there, you can take again common. So finally, one more e power x common in with respect to second row. This is with respect to first row, first e power x. This is with respect to second row. This is the way to take the common in the determinants. Okay, remember, I'm repeatedly I'm telling common nothing but not only one term, and it should be complete determinant. It should be either in row or in column. Then what left to see? 1 e power x common with respect to first row, no? You will get 1 and x. This is the left, whatever the term after taking common, that is after taking e power x as common. Coming to second, again second row it is 1, and here e power x is outside, no? What left is x plus 1 or 1 plus x. So this is the way. Because see, simplification is very simple, this determinant compared to the previous one. So if you are facing difficulty to do common, you directly you can solve multiplication of these two and multiplication of these two as you wish. You will get the same answer. E power x into e power x, I will write e power 2x into, this is 1 into 1 plus x is 1 plus x, minus 1 into x is x. Here see, x and x cancel, 1 remain, 1 left, and that 1 into e power 2x is e power 2x. So that is omega. Therefore, omega equals e power 2x. Yes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Coming to, yes, write down what is u, what is v. I will write here again. U equals, yes, u equals e power x. Is it right? V equals x e power x, and r equals, what is our problem?
E power
E power x by x. R equals e power x divided by x. So now calculate one by one. A equals minus integration of VR by omega. That is equal to s minus, see, if your omega is correct, then definitely, and u and v, integration will be simple and you will get the answer. Otherwise, you will get complicated. S v, x e power x, x into e power x, r is e power x divided by x, and anyhow omega in the denominator, I will write omega here, it is also e power x. Sorry, e power 2x, no, omega is e power 2x. Yes. Finally, what you will get into dx. Is it correct? How the way I substituted?
yes.
What you will get? See, e power x into e power x is e power 2x, cancel with e power 2x, x cancel, you will get 1 into dx. See, the simple integrated term. Therefore, a equals minus x plus k1. This is a. Put it in box, highlight it, because we need only this one. Coming to b, yes, write the formula, integration of ur by omega, that is equal to, substitute and tell me the answer if anyone.
log x. Log x plus k2.
X K2.
Let me see. Integration of u is e power x, r is e power x by x divided by omega is e power 2x into dx. As usual, e power x into e power x, e power 2x cancel with e power 2x. What I will get? 1 by x dx is the left. Now, integration of 1 by x is log x plus k2. Log nothing but it is always ln only, okay? Means base u only. This is b. Therefore, the complete solution, y equals au plus bb. This is enough. Okay, y equals au plus bb. Got it? Yeah, shall I take next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Solve. Question is same. Solve. Question is d square plus 4. D square plus 4 into y equals cosecant 2x by method of by method of variation of parameter. By the method of variation of parameter. It is given directly in terms of d and y also common. D square plus 4, it is solved, I think, first problem. Today first problem, what we solved the same, I think, up to omega. So d square plus 4 into y equals cosecant 2x, auxiliary equation, m square plus 4 equal to 0. Then roots are m square equals minus 4, m equals plus or minus 2y. Therefore, yc equals alpha 0 beta 2, no? So e power 0 is 1, no need to write. C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x. So u equals cos 2x, v equals sin 2x. Just calculate omega. First problem, it is same.
Two.
It is 2, is it right? Yes. Plus u, v, omega is there. R is RHS, that is cosecant 2x. Yes, find out one by one. See, once you write, you will get the idea. Without writing, and don't think like a complicated integration is there. I can't do. Don't think in that way. Okay, minus VR by omega. So that is minus integral of V is sine 2x, R is cosecant 2x by omega is 2 into dx. Now see, this is simple. Minus why I am telling this is simple. 1 by 2 I will take common. See, sine and cosecant is always reciprocal to each other. You can cancel. Cosecant is nothing but 1 by sine, no? You can cancel. 1 by 2 is outside. So what left is 1 dx. Therefore, see, A is minus x by 2 plus k1. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, coming to B. B may be little bit lengthy because one is simple means another one is little bit. It will take some more steps. B is UR by omega. U cos 2x, no? R is cosecant 2x by 2 dx. So that is equal to 1 by 2 I will take outside. Yes, cos 2x write as it is because cos and cosecant we can't cancel. Cosecant can be written as 1 divided by sin 2x dx. So that gives 1 by 2 integral of cos by sin is cot 2x dx. Now what is the integration?
Log 2x.
Integration of cot x is log sin x. Is it right?
Log
So
cos.
cos 2x is log sin 2x whole divided by 2 plus k2. Therefore B equals 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into log sin 2x plus k2. See, if log comes means k2 can be written as log k2 also. You can use because somehow we can avoid. So you complete log. Otherwise, no problem. Just calculate this as it is. Therefore, next line. Therefore, the complete solution y equals. Therefore, the complete solution y equals AU plus BB. AU plus